Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to show you how you can install the NWEA lockdown browser. The first thing you want to do is go to self-service. If self-service is located in your dock, then you are good to go. If you cannot see self-service in your dock, on the top row of your keyboard where it says F4, you can push that button and it will open up a view of your applications. If you swipe, you will see self-service right here. It looks like this. If you'd like, you can drag self-service right into your dock so it's conveniently located there. You're going to open self-service. When you have self-service open, on the left-hand side, quick web browsers. You are going to see possibly two NWEA browsers. You want the one that says Secure Testing Browser, the one that has yellow letters and a black background. You do not want this yellow square. So you're going to click the install button. Once it's installed, you can close self-service and you're going to want to locate it conveniently in your dock. So to find anything on a Mac, the easiest thing to do is go up to the magnifying glass, type in NWEA, and you will get it appearing almost instantaneously. Then you can simply drag it into your dock. The next thing you're going to want to do is restart your computer. So go up to the Apple, click the restart button. It will ask you for a confirmation. Once your machine is restarted, then you're going to want to open up a Chrome browser. You are going to want to type in It will run a workstation diagnostic on your machine. May take a minute. When you see this green box that says this machine has passed the check, you are good to go. The next step is you want to go up to the Apple on the top left, open it up, click on Force Quit. So you need to force quit all of your applications. A quick trick is if you hold down your Shift key and you select all of the items you want, you can have them all highlighted at the same time, and you're going to click Force Quit. Once everything has been force quit on your machine, to open your NWEA browser, you go to your dock where you've put it conveniently, you click it open, and your testing browser will appear just like this, ready for you to log in. If you have any issues, the standard thing you can do is restart your computer. If you have any other issues, your proctor or one of the ICT staff will be able to help you sort it out. Happy testing! See ya.